Hello, this question says that what are the ways in which pathogens, we know pathogens are the disease causing organisms which get entered inside the living body and cause diseases. So in which ways these pathogens may antagonize, that means suppress the activity of host defense system or host immune system. Or we can say immune system. So what are the ways? By which these pathogens can antagonize or can overcome the host defense system and cause infection even after the